Aunt Lynne. Remember me? Yeah, hi girls. Yeah, you know somebody's bringing treats in here, don't you? Hi, baby. Oh, look at you, you beautiful. I hear you, buddy.
Oh, Poppy, you don't need to freak the chickens out.
Yeah, there may be some in there.
Oh, you got someone's attention.
Yeah, just if you scatter a whole bunch on the ground, they're just gonna join you. You're gonna have a
I hear you.
It's a little scared.
Good. There you go.
You got it.
Okay.
Oh, don't be scared. It's all right. It's all right.
And you're all huddling like this is some bad thing. Let's talk. Let's
Just
talk.
scoop them up,
Just scoop it up.
Well,
Yeah, just grab one. Be bold.
I don't want to scare him.
He's fine. Get a good grip on him. He'll be secure.
Oh, he's screaming.
He's fine.
Oh, baby.
He's okay.
He's sweet. It's all right, honey. Yeah, look it. I'm just going to hug you a little bit. Oh, honey, it's all right.
Get his wing.
Right.
Yeah, make sure you have your hands over both their wings.
There you go. Good. Yeah, good. He likes to feel secure.
Be my chicken for a few minutes. You're going to be my chicken. That's all I wanted was a chicken hug. Yeah. Because you're going to grow up to give beautiful, deep golden yolked eggs. They're going to be so wonderful. All right, I'm going to let you go, but I don't want to hurt you as you go down. There we go. Okay. That's enough chicken poop. Tammy has the most wonderful chickens and eggs. And when you see me break these open, we'll probably make deviled eggs out of these. A little hard to tell, but these are Americana eggs. Aren't they beautiful? And you'll see that the color of the yolks is just a deep marigold yellow. It's so completely different than the eggs that you might be buying in the store. But I know these hens. I know what they're eating. I know all about them. And I know all about Tammy. And so I know what I'm getting when I eat these eggs. And it's wonderful. It's great food.